What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, today's video, I want to go over a false breakout, guys, and I want to kind of illustrate for you on the charts today what to look for and how to take advantage of it on your future trading journey. Okay, guys, I got the chart pulled up and we are on the 1 minute chart for teaching purposes, guys, and today I'm going to point out a few different things. Hopefully you all see just that grabs your attention, this double bottom right here. Okay, boom boom, but you see it led to a nice move like I told you guys it will always do. It shot up, it created a bull flag, it shot up, and then this is where the play, we call this a fake out breakout, okay, or a failed breakout. Okay, and so when you have this, you have the stock come back down and comes right back into the range that it was sitting in prior to. Okay, and what you want to make sure that you don't do is be the person that buys here thinking the stock is going to continue its move up, only to see the stock gets grabbed back down into this area. Okay, so this is called a fake out breakout, guys, and this is a pattern that I want you guys to start recognizing on your journey. Matter of fact, let me know if on your journey you have ever got hit with a fake out breakout. You thought the stock was going to continue to run, you saw it moving, you got FOMO, you start chasing, you jumped in, only to see right when you get in it started to come back down. Okay, if that's ever happened to you, please let me know, guys. Again, it happens to the best of us, so I'm only teaching this to you because I know these are the common things that go down in the market. Okay, but listen, guys, what you want to pay attention to is the fact that when you see these breakouts, what typically happens is you have this line right here. This is the 200. This line right here is the 200 EMA. Okay, and that line on the 1 minute chart was trying to show you guys where resistance is at, because look at the other times. Look at here, guys. Look at how it didn't even get through. It got rejected at the line here. Okay, that's one. Look at here, guys, two. Look at here, guys, three. It got rejected. So you want to see, look at this attempt, four. Okay, and then towards the end of the day it broke through, but you can even see in after hours it's already been grabbed and brought back down. Okay, so these 200-day moving averages on any time frame is something you want to be aware of. I often tell you guys you have to master all time frames. This is the 1 minute. You want to make sure you're in tune with what's going on and where it's located on a 2 minute, because I often get asked the question, Chris, how far can a stock run? Okay, oftentimes it's going to run to the next level of resistance. If it breaks resistance on the 1 minute, you may need to identify where that's at on the 2 minute or on the 5 minute. Okay, and that's one way, as you guys are starting your journey with basics of options, guys, you can start to know for yourself where you are going to kind of be met with some resistance at. Okay, but the fake out breakout is right here, and oftentimes, guys, it is the number one thing that again catches you up when you are caught chasing or you having the fear of missing out. So what you want to do is when you see a play take off and you know you missed it, okay, look at what it does. This is why I always say let's go back and study. Look at what this ended up doing. After it ran, it came back down, it hit this 13, it bounced off this purple line, okay, and then bounced up, become now that it's inside of this 13 EMA. This is the play I love right here. I love when I see this failed test of this green candle couldn't break back above this line. Now that's confirmation for me that this is going down. And then look at where the line crosses at, guys. Look at where that line crosses at right there. And that also took the play down further. You end up seeing this bear flag get made, and boom, that's a nice little play right there. So you learn to catch the top all the way to the bottom. That's a pretty nice move, guys, if you're able to catch it. Listen, man, I wanted to go through that with you all today. That is a fake out breakout, or otherwise what we call a failed breakout, and you often will see that. Okay, but you have to be aware on different time frames what is going on, what is the landscape. Okay, now when stocks get to clearing these different EMAs, then the stock can obviously run and do its thing. Okay, but you want to make sure that you are respecting these resistance levels, because oftentimes they get rejected, and that's a perfect place to buy a put. But listen guys, again, major salute to those of you that has continuously came to learn, put in the work. I love to see the incremental progress every single day. I just want to encourage you guys to keep it up. Get with me if you need to with one-on-one coaching for charting for beginners, or just teaching you guys to make sure you're building your portfolios properly. Also, don't forget to join the money team and our weekly option plays if you guys want to know the right place to be in to take advantage of this market, okay? And of course, we got the Discord that's inclusive of everybody, okay? And so you guys can get in there for some everyday learning, for a great community and an awesome time each and every day, okay? Listen guys, I hope this video added some value to you. Do me a favor, if you like this one, make sure you like and subscribe. Please make sure you join the Discord. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey, so do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.